Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you actually have a night vision option unlocked, either a wearable night vision item or a vehicle with a mounted system. Once done, open the interaction menu, go to Inventory, then Equipment, and select the night vision item to equip it. You do this now because equipping outside combat avoids fumbling. Make sure you're in a low-light area to immediately verify it's active and see how contrast and range change. Now that it's equipped, activate night vision through the interaction menu or press your assigned toggle key for quick switching. You'll want instant access in missions. Use first-person view to get sharper contrast and easier target identification at distance, and move slowly to avoid motion blur. If targets are camouflaged, make sure to pair night vision with thermal or a short-range flashlight for confirmation. Also, adjust your aim and reticle placement to finish the setup and capitalize on night vision benefits. Stow the device when you return to well-lit areas so color and detail aren't lost. Position yourself on slightly elevated ground or behind cover to increase effective detection range. Height gives you more silhouette information. If the image becomes grainy or non-functional, toggle the night vision off and on, re-equip it from inventory, or switch between first and third person. These quick fixes reset visual artifacts and restore reliable visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.